Bonafide Hustler here, and I found some cool stuff doing a thing called bulk pickup. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my spaceship, and I'm about to go to the gym, but that's irrelevant. Yeah, so you can see right here, there's a bunch of stuff on the side of the ground, right? See right there? Okay, so that's my stuff. And being a homeowner in this neighborhood, we have a thing called bulk pickup, meaning they pick up bulk items once every quarter, it seems, or maybe once every 6 months. You put all your junk out on the curb, and the city picks it up, and I guess they take it to a landfill or something like that. Now, this stuff right here is junk to me, right? But bulk pickup is interesting because every single year, it seems to get better and better in this neighborhood. And I use it now as a way to, get some items and resell some cool things. So I found a lot of great things yesterday and the day before doing bulk pickup in this neighborhood and a couple other neighborhoods down the way. And I'm gonna show you here on this video what I found. So bulk pickup day is today, and you can just see, on the side of the streets, there's just items, right? Here's like a rattan chair looking thing. And then over here, we have some junk right there. There's a chair over here, as you can see. And this neighborhood has a bunch of, people that are living here, obviously, and everyone has a chance to put their stuff out on the curb. So people put out stuff at different rates as well during bulk pickup. So if you go, 3 days ago, you would see some things starting to be put out. But then if you go yesterday, like yesterday evening, now people are like, okay, I'm putting all my stuff out because today is the pickup day, but the city comes around and picks all this stuff up. So there's a lot more stuff as of yesterday. And that's when my girlfriend and I really went hard in the neighborhood to look for some cool things, and we found some cool things. So let's take it back to the house level, and I'll show you what these things are. Okay, back at the Hustler Casa, let's take a look at the things that I found from bulk pickup. It's funny, right after the gym, I found this thing. My girlfriend called me, and she was like 2 streets over. She said, come check this thing out, I think it's good. So I decided to pick it up with the SUV, and it is in great condition. Now, it isn't starting, but it does have compression, and it is, my dog is right over there. But anyway, it does have compression, and I think it's basically a spark plug issue, or maybe we have to put some fuel cleaner down the carb, but either way, this thing was free on the side of the road. It's in great condition. So I just think we'll get it started up today, later on this evening. One of my favorite things that I just started using is this thing. This was free yesterday. We found it on the side of the road, and it's a Ryobi 40V lithium weed eater, and it's super cool. And it has the charger and everything. God, I did my whole lawn and it still has 2 bars. It's crazy. So anyways, this thing is really cool. I think I'm gonna keep it. So I like that a lot. That was on the side of the road yesterday for free. Also for free, but not anything to really brag about. These Free Spirit Fastback 12 bikes. Nothing crazy, but we're gonna get these things sold between 40 and maybe 80 bucks. As is, those were on the side of the road in my neighborhood as well. Pretty cool little things right here. And by the way, this mower right here, once it's all said and done and it does fire up, I might decide to keep it, but if I don't, we're looking at probably $80 to $100 for this thing to sell it. It's in great condition. Look at the paint is so nice, and you can definitely tell it was stored indoors, but it's nice, right? Check it out. Pretty cool. So to be honest with you, I'm probably gonna go on a bike ride and try to find some more stuff. But here's some things that we found yesterday as well. Cool typewriter right here, Underwood typewriter. It's in pretty bad condition, but to be honest with you, at the booth, someone will probably pay, I don't know, 30 to 50 bucks for that thing, so that's pretty cool. Now, I haven't tested these things right here, but some Polk tower speakers. These are M50s, plus an Onkyo receiver, no remote, so that's chilling right there. Yeah, got to pull the speaker grills and check them all out, but that was on the side of the road yesterday, so that was a lot of fun. I couldn't believe I found that. Now, perhaps one of the coolest scores is behind these Polk speakers, and you let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this? And here it is. Look at this MCM chair. Oh my gosh, you see it? Pretty neat. So it's a really fascinating chair. I'll put this behind here, and you can kind of see what it looks like. It's beautiful. So missing main cushion, but still great condition. I think it's worth somewhere between, I don't know, maybe $200 and $400 in this condition. These things often resell for between $2,000 and $6,000 in great condition. So, and I'm pretty sure this is an authentic, one from the mid-century. So, yeah, we're talking, maybe 50s or 60s, potentially 70s, but either way, this thing is really cool, and it's a beautiful kind of thing from back in the day. I'm surprised someone had it at their house. And we can even see the legs right here. Pretty nice, 28 span legs. So that's pretty cool. Also got a sewing machine right here. This is a Memory Craft 9000. Now this thing actually does turn on. Let me see if I can show you here. This sewing machine was on the side of the road. It's made by Genome right there, Memory Craft 9000. The screen's a little dim, but it does turn on and everything, so that's pretty cool. So I'll be thinking about $100 for something like that. That was sitting on the side of the road, which is kind of bizarre because that's a pretty cool sewing machine. If it worked perfectly and had everything with it, it's probably worth like $400 to $500. Okay, so could it even get crazier than that? I think it could, you know. We found this Tyco Nitro Dozer right here. No remote, but a pretty cool relic of a toy. Maybe you had it back in the day. Pretty cool. Reminds me of the Fast Tracks Tycos from back in the day. That was just sitting on the side of the road. No remote, untested. I think it's worth about 30 to $50, so that's pretty neat score right there. Yesterday, after watching this movie called Civil War, we came into the neighborhood and we found this brand new DeWalt mower. Now, it does have an issue because when you put the two brand new batteries in, which we have two brand new batteries and a charger as well, the batteries alone, you know, are like $280 on Amazon. But this thing right here, we can't figure out why it's not working, so that's why it was on the side of the road. But it is a brand new DeWalt mower, you know, like a push mower. So if we take a look underneath, right, see, it's never been used. So that's interesting, but I'm not in the game of troubleshooting things or whatever. So I think this mower around town is about $300 to $500 new, you know, thinking $100 cash for this thing. And then you put the two 20-volt batteries in here. I mean, everything is just new. Pretty crazy find on the side of the road. I couldn't believe it. And there are the actual batteries right there, and they're charging just fine. Everything's great, but these are the 10 amp hour as well, which are the nice ones. So it came with two brand new batteries. Kind of bizarre. And then yesterday we also found these vintage aluminum kind of like picnic chairs. So these are nice and they're not frayed out or anything, so they're in great condition. These things in the booth usually sell for about $50 a piece. So real nice, very light, which I like a lot. And we also got this birdhouse for free, which I'm gonna be putting on that tree right there. So that was pretty cool. Got this kind of not a terrarium, but it's something you put stupid candles in and things inside your house. And it's just a decoration kind of thing, but we got it for a girl that lives across the street and she likes getting little animals and lizards and stuff. So figured she might like this thing. So we got that for free as well. Now I'm sure I'm missing some stuff, so I got to keep thinking a little bit, but I'm about to get on a bike here and go out for another kind of spin. Oh yeah, we found all this for free too, right here. So we got water skis that we're probably gonna go to play it again with, 2 lacrosse sticks. We're gonna go take that to play it again. So that was free as well. We found that on the side of the road. Yeah, I know, it's a lot of cool things that we found. But the coolest thing is probably sitting in the back of my girlfriend's car right here. We found it yesterday, the guy just put it out. So let's check this one out. You ready? Here it comes. Of course she has a bike rack on the back of her car, check it out. All right, let's open the trunk. Ugh. Wait a minute, it's gone. She took it out. What? There's nothing back here. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. I just gotta figure out where it is. Before I show you the thing that's pretty cool, my girlfriend also found this on the side of the road. I think it's for a toddler, if I'm not mistaken. So definitely need one from our friend's baby. And so there we go. Got one of those. That was all free, perfectly good, in date, all that stuff. So that was nice. Yeah, but here's the find that was supposed to be on the back of my girlfriend's car, but I guess she took it out. But this is it right here. A Bob Revolution SE stroller in perfect condition. Yeah, it's folded up right now, but I mean, everyone knows the Bob Revolution SE. Just like that. So that was, yeah, free yesterday. We had just pulled up when the guy was putting it out. It's a great stroller, nice for free. And this one's probably gonna sell, I don't know, $100 to $200, something like that. The actual grip has no tear to it or anything. Peak window, nice and clear. Pretty nice find if you ask me. I mean, just gotta take care of a little dirt, but nothing crazy. Oh yeah, and then we found that on bulk pickup last year right there, a little Roomba, a couple other things that we found. Yeah, there are a couple things that I might keep, like the lawnmower and the Ryobi string trimmer thing. The string trimmer thing is super cool. That would probably sell for like 80 to $100, but honestly, it works really well. I'm probably gonna keep it. But the lawnmower, you know, if I can get it started, which is probably later today I can, then I'll just sell my lawnmower that I got for $10 at a garage sale 6 years ago. And I'll just sell that for, I don't know, $50 or something, because it's working. But, you know, it's a nice way to upgrade to a, not a newer, well, it's a newer motor, but it's still a push mower. I don't care about any of that assist kind of stuff, just because I like to go real fast. But anyway, that's pretty much what's going on. I'm gonna try not to keep just anything really, except for a couple things. And then that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and you thought I found some cool things, then maybe go look for bulk pickup in your neighborhood or in your town. How did I know about our neighborhood? Well, we get a thing in the mail. And then going around to other neighborhoods around here, you can kind of just tell that it's bulk pickup for that neighborhood too. So we actually looked at 3 neighborhoods and that's how we figured it all out. So pretty cool finds. What do you guys think was the best find? Put it down below and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.